How I'm still it's not gonna change how I feel about you.
The thing is, I get it. Because I'm the same way.
That's why I hated that you
because I was bending.
Remember?
No.
Yes, but
I got hoes.
Coming through. Okay, young pissed up. It's a strategy. It's a man. This boy. Straight.
Yeah. Guys, I have a headache and I've taken 6 Compros.
I told you the first time
I a shot of something. I have a Hennessy.
I know. Like Junior,
and everyone must have, excluding our driver.
I said that to you. What you went to Takata Unya when I remember your words, Takata Unya. And then I found out when I was watching the show,
we be talking, we be busting down, going around, nigga, I'm down. Fuck me till the sheets get brown. No.
Not our clan names, because obviously we what our dad.
I was just trying to rhyme, but then actually sounds fucked up.
Sheets get brown.
Put me through the mattress.
Shama shows a strategy system. Guys, that's our driver right there that's jumping. Yambo, driver waits. Yamono driver is in the jan. Yambon, Yanyo. Whoa! Who won, guys?
He won twice.
Because my granddad was
Take a shot, bro. Guys, Bloemfontein was too much. Right now we're on our way to the Dubane level. We're about to pilot on the highway. Lapo, we're in the highway.
Drop the cigarette.
because I have to.
Oh my God.
And for me, now,
Hi, Caitlin.
I'm everything. I'm not even meant to be alive today.
Yes.
Well, do you understand? So for that to happen, dude,
Imagine you're driving and you saw Shamisa throwing it back on the road. Honestly, a privilege. A privilege.
That's why I have to be real to you.
Please do Balimele dance challenge. I can't, guys. I don't dance. When I'm at groove, I just say.
We trap.
Yeah, last night Tank was like, "Yeah, we playing hip hop. Shamiso, come forward." I was like, "Hey, come forward for what?" I'm jiving me. Tank, hey. This guy.
You hear that shit? It passes on the drill at my face. Shay Hoods. I knew I called him cocaine.
Shy Hoods. Shy Hoods. Shy Hoods. Hey, Shy Hoods. Shy Hoods. Shy Hoods.
Shy Hoods. Oh, hi, Shy Hoods. Shy Hoods. Beep, beep. Shaya. Hi, Shy Hoods. Hi, Shy Hoods.
Hey, man. You guys
And you
are
were
having the most fun. We're trying. Like, we're fighting for our lives. We're fighting for our lives. Earlier, we lost a friend. We found a friend. Friend was sleeping on chest. Driver Bay was stressed. Tank was depressed.
Bro, we found plans.
And you were depressed. You were depressed.
I was fucking sad.
No,
bro.
I've never seen Tank that down because everyone keeps saying
I
in
was
terms
so
of
fucking
in
sad,
terms of
bro.
Born into
No.
Fame cast, everyone's like, oh, Tank is such a good vibe. This is the first time I've seen Tank.
Yo, bro, super sad.
Like, look.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness. This is the first time I've seen Tank in a low vibrational mood. Like, he really, really gives a fuck about his friend.
Bro.
Tank must be the biggest like he is level. Are you sitting on the floor? I'm sitting on the street, guys.
Guys, it's the highway. You're on the highway.
His extra kidney is Jeb's coming. Guys,
in the highway.
let me tell you the story about this guy that just commented that. He DM'd me when I was drinking. And he was like, a cocktail looks so nice in your hand. Let me get healthy so I can give you my kidney if you ever need it. So he was basically saying, Shami, so you drink a lot. So, number one, he's dragging me. But number two, he's saying, I got your back. I said, no, you done. That is the cleanest Mac I've ever received. Honestly, because Tank, I can't get an extra kidney from you. Like, why as well? I need an extra kidney from someone who does not drink.
Guys, donate.
Why?
Guys, please.
So bad. Why are you on the highway? We're on the highway because this is where the vibe is. With the collabs, with the
I lost we lost a human being. I lost our fucking brains. What are they doing?
We lost our minds. Lost a human being and lost our minds.
We open a club, a highway.
Anyway, the moral of the story is we are fighting a losing battle.
Guys, I still have a headache from last night.
Can you please do like extra kidney is crazy. Why do you wear? Why do you leave Kabeja? Oh fuck!
Peter, explain. Watch Born into Fame for the
Why did I
answer.
leave Kabeja? Wow.
Watch Born into Fame for the answer.
You know what? I left Kabeja because it's about time to listen to Boom Shaka.
Guys, let's race.
No, we're not racing. Guys, one thing about Tank and Shamiso, they don't kuza each other. Like literally, who needs
That's
friends?
why Tank
They
and
don't
I
kuza
are
each other.
That's why Tank
No,
Look at our driver.
Junior.
Let's go.
Our
It's a race.
driver is literally stretching his legs.
Junior, as your manager,
As your
you will not run.
manager. Okay.
That's your baby, man.
On your mark.
1, go.
What the fuck, bruh? What the actual fuck?
I'm on the losing team.
What is wrong with these people?
It was fun.
Nah, I think Uplash set the mood for the day.
Yeah, Flash decided let's all be
Yeah,
disorderly.
let's all, yeah.
Like,
Flash made it alive.
Woo!
it's wait, is that song playing? Am I hearing right?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, I was gonna say, manager, get them out of here. Can you get us out of here?
About better banye.
Like, Shamiso
not
cheated,
looking
but I
for-
still lost. Yo. Okay.
Actually, I should give her
Okay,
I should give her a few tips about
Winners have
cheating.
to take a shot. That's the rule.
I should give her.
I won.
Yeah.
I fucking won.
Winners have to
I
take a shot.
fucking
We're all
won.
talking at the same time, but I'm gonna give her tips about cheating because I'm the biggest cheater. Us Robbie, he will know.
Oh. Oh shit.
Born into Fame squad.
Oh
Yeah,
shit.
new.
Ask Robbie about the fucking cheating.
this.
I did not expect it.
That's what I anticipated.
Unexpected.
Unexpected. Born into Fame, unexpected. Oh yeah, so apparently the rule is that if you win, you have to take a shot.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, and apparently
Number one.
I'm the little cousin of Born into Fame. Little cousin.
Yo, guys, I've got such a headache. Yo!
Guys,
Fuck.
Shamiso survived the fucking tumble.
The core level.
Shamiso is a Father Christmas level. Because she has a beard now.
And I'm the little cousin.
She has an ultimate beard. Someone decided that Shamiso is gonna dive. But she survived. That's my motherfucking nigga.
I'll fucking throw you in front of the fucking train. He's saying Father Christmas because of my new beard. My new...
Ho, 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 Shamiso. Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, if you say woo-woo, apparently the driver...
Yes! Hank, why's your t-shirt on the floor? What's wrong with this
Like,
guy? Must I manage everything?
The
in
lady
life?
with the curly hair is like the mother of the group.
Yes.
Yes, she is. But does a mother
We have a
have an
fatty.
ass like this?
My mother had a fatty though. My mother had a fatty.
Ah, hey, shut up.
Yeah, my mother had a
That's
fatty.
did.
why.
Yo, my mama had a
Robbie's
fatty.
are mad.
Urobi ufuna le
Hey,
fatty.
hey. We will do no such. We will do no such thing.
Okay, Shamiso, stand aside.
Oh, you racing? Okay, so Tank and the driver are racing. Hold on. Masamba. On your marks.
So it's 3, 2, 1, go. So, Shamiso,
Yeah.
If you don't run like you have wheels, we will have a problem, okay?
Every time you get up, that 2-step says, "What's up?" I'm dead. Listen, I'm fighting for my life. Okay, on your marks, yo.
Your man.
Tank is even taking off his shoes. He's serious.
Yeah, serious.
No, okay, guys.
Serious.
Okay.
On your marks is on your knees.
Loser has to run into oncoming traffic.
I'm not about to lose.
I
I was about to say a man, a client.
Okay, Masam.
Can I not lose a client because of this race?
What?
Tank, if you die, that means I'm not gonna have money.
You will.
No. Come back.
I honestly feel like I'm watching the Olympics. It's so
I
great.
tank. There's no ways. You can't just see me fall and then decide to run back. What the fuck? That's true. I'm sorry.
At least I didn't hurt myself.
At least you didn't fall on your chin, Tank.
Hey.
You don't know what it's like to be me.
Guys, Shamiso fell and she lost her face.
I'm still beautiful.
But she still got it though. She still got it
I
though.
still got it like that. I got it like
She
that.
still got it like that. She still got it like that. She still got it like that.
Whoa. Sorry. The Tank just fully did. Guys, it is what it is. Honestly.
You pulled a chamiso.
He pulled the chamiso and chamiso. Like, it's rough terrain.
Oh, my chest is complaining. Sorry. Yo, my chest.
Come on, man.
Yes! Get your fucking shit together, bro. Yesterday it was your shirt. The day before it was your fucking underwear. The other day it was your grills. Imagine,
I hate this car. Thanks for the compliment though, Tsakani M.
Nigga, say cheese. Say cheese, nigga.
It's cool, my boy.
Say cheese. You're too old for that shit, boy.
Alright guys, it's happening. It's happening.
Plus,
It's happening.
plus. Yo, plus.
This is your band, guys. This is what he's decided to do at this time. Dread's hanging on his face like fucking window blinds. You know, but he's there.
Even, plus.
Yo, my chest.
Plus. Skisa fa. Malala jalo. Plus. Can you put the volume down?
Yeah, put the volume down.
Plus. Put the fucking volume down.
Flash is busy sleeping in the car as if
Hey.
he didn't sleep on a chest.
Skisa fa.
He slept on a chest last night.
Sleep to me.
My chest is complaining right now.
Oh jeez, you have COVID.
Why did I run?
Telling you born to fame, cause you need the name. Ngoba si born to fame. Hey, ngoba Tina T. Ngoba Tina says imali sanzi South Africa yonke bay kaka yo. Ngoba Tina yasas. Ngoba Tina simanzi. Ngoba mina ndiyaba nobani nobani. Hey.
I'm dead. Anyway, guys, yeah. But you need water. I don't know if we have water though. We only have liquor, straight liquor. If you wanna quench your thirst, you're gonna have to deal with the drink, man. We have liquor, like. Why wouldn't you just come and have a celebration?
Phethu Shamiso la. Yazi umuhle la. Phethu nophila la. Wena ufuni na. Phethu Shamiso la. Ina tattoos la. Une tattoo la. Wena ufuna la. Tina so hamba la. Sifuna le mali la. Sifuna kuspenda la.
Guys, I don't think there is water pills. Guys, also at the garage I was at, I found Foxy's. Haven't had Foxy since high school. No, he is still alive. Must be having a queen. No, I've been on multiple lives. So,
Not that type of water.
just Mashaba.
I've been drinking since.
Why are you so specific about asking me about someone? If I'm saying I don't, like at the top of my dome, I can't think of them. I don't know, like what? Actually, you irritating. Like, get the fuck out. Killer is such a vibe. Killer is a vibe to a fault until he's knocking at your bedroom door at 5 a.m. because he still wants to trap.
Listen, Shamiso doesn't sleep when I'm around, so she enjoys me not being around.
No. I slept for 2 hours at least. I don't know what
Shamiso la, go zongena la.
Martin. Yeah, ingane ziyathelela.
Hey.
Tshela bugwelela.
Yay.
Gwele ibhasi la.
Yay.
Lapho siyazenzela.
Yay.
Alright, why did you stop? Yeah. Anyway.
Guys, sibangcono la. Sifike nesquad la. Yeah, sigcwele cool boss endala.
Hey. Uyambona lo yenguShamiso beku MTV nina nicima neyamazi ngoba uhleli neMigos ngoba uhleli neMTV ngoba uhleli noMTV ngoba nina nithi animazi lo yenguShamiso lo animazi lo EU international ngoba ne passport lo yazi passport yakhe ine tattoos ifana no. Hey. 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 We are Shamiso lo. Hey, Shamiso lo. Hey, umhlophe yo. But yellow bone. Marune tattoo lo. Fana no pila lo. Une tattoo. Hey.
Shamiso albino.
Yena yi albino. Yena yi albino. Yena yi albino. Yena yi albino. Yena umhlophe lo. Marune tattoo lo. Yena ne tattoo lo.
Get in the fucking studio, nigga. Get in the fucking studio. Get in the booth.
Let's go. スターたちが集まったスタジオ夜な夜な酒たくさん並ぶアジトさっきまで六本木で収録ラジオそっからテレビ撮影するはしごカメラたち追いかけてる
Yes, everyone, okay, challenge. Everyone
Nice to meet you する挨拶 I'm so happy ありがたいな
You've been to China. I'm the mother of the crew. I'm the villain. I'm what Robbie. Okay, never mind. Cuts.
お金稼ぐ俺らはスター
Okane kasetu. Watashi wa star. Star. Hira. Watashi wa star.
Kwase kamnandi ephasini if ungekho then so besikubone that means you don't feel
Anyway, love you guys.
and if I was planning out for real in real life.
My skin is really bad right now, guys. Look.
Shamiso.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Love you loads. I hope you all have a long, safe life with lots of millions and lots of sex and lots of babies and lots of wealth, health, and plenty blessings. That could actually be like in the beginning of a Drake song. The way Drake moves.